What separates those who build empires from those who merely survive? Why do some families pass down wealth while others pass down struggle? For generations, the secrets of wealth have been hidden in plain sight, whispered in boardrooms, buried in history, guarded by the powerful few. But here, on Tony's Wealth Secrets, we unlock those secrets. We decode how money truly works. From timeless principles of wealth creation to modern investment strategies. From mindset and habits to the psychology that turns ideas into empires. This isn't just another finance channel. It's an invitation to a journey few dare to take. A journey from scarcity to abundance, from confusion to clarity. From earning money to making money work for you. Because true wealth isn't about money, it's about freedom. The freedom to live life on your terms, to create, to choose, to build a legacy that will outlive you. Welcome to Tony's Wealth Secrets. Subscribe and step behind the curtain. Because the secrets are no longer hidden. They're waiting for those ready to listen. Tony's Wealth Secrets, uncovering the stories, strategies, and mindset behind lasting wealth.